Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever had a beautiful stone piece break and through it was beyond repair? Today I am going to show you how to use Araldite epoxy adhesive to bring it back to life. First, make sure your broken pieces are clean and dry. You want a solid surface for the epoxy to adhere to. If there's any dust and debris, give it a gentle wipe with a clean cloth. Next, to prepare your Araldite epoxy. This comes in two parts, the resin and harder. Squeeze equal amount of both into a clean mixing surface. It's crucial to mix them thoroughly. This ensures a strong bond. Use a stick or a small spatula for this. Don't use hand and finger. Once mixed, apply the epoxy to one of the broken edges. Be generous. You want enough adhesive to fill any gaps. Then carefully press the piece together. Make sure they align perfectly. This is a key for a seamlessly repair. After pressing them together, hold them in place for about 10 to 15 minutes. This initial set time is important for the bond to start forming. If your stone is heavy or larger, consider using tape or clamp to keep it secure while it cures. Now here's an important tips: let the epoxy cure fully. This usually takes about 24 hours. Patience is key here. Once it's cured, you can sand down any excess epoxy for a smooth finish. And there's you have it. Your broken stone piece is now as good as new. All thanks to Araldite epoxy adhesive. Remember, repair can be just as beautiful as the original piece if done right. So don't throw away those broken treasure. Repair them. So guys, I am highly recommended this epoxy. If you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Thank you for watching my video. I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to tune in. Your support means the world to me, and creating content is a journey, and knowing that you are part of it motivates me to keep pushing boundaries and exploring new ideas. Every like, comment and share help me grow and improve, and I am grateful for the community we are building together. I strive to deliver content that only entertain but also inform and inspire. Your feedback is invaluable, so please keep sharing your thoughts and suggestions. I want to make sure I am providing what you want to see. Remember, this is two-way street. Your engagement fuel my creativity, and I am excited to continue this adventure with you. If you have not already, make sure to hit that follow button so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's keep the conversation going. I love hearing from you in the comment, so drop your thoughts below and let me know what topic you would like me to cover next. Together we can create